Now they have given my practice time 3. Now see student, you divide using the number strip. Now they have given us their number strip. What they had said, 15 divided by 3 means we have to take 3 steps till we reach 15. We have to take 3 steps till we reach 15, and we have to always start from 0. So from 0, 1, 2, 3. First step we are going to take here 3. Then 1, 2, 3 means from here to 6. 1, 2, 3 means from here to 9. 1, 2, 3 from here to 12. 1, 2, 3 from 12 to 15. We want only 15. So we have stopped here. Now write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So how many steps we have taken? 5 steps. So the answer is 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay students, one more I will solve for you people. Now 12 divided by 3. Again we have to take 3 steps only. So we will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 to 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 to 6, 1, 2, 3, 6 to 9, 1, 2, 3, 9 to 12. Yes, only till 12 we have to do. So how many steps are there? We will write the numbers. 4 steps are there, right? So 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay students, I hope you all have understood. Remaining you are going to solve similarly. Now dividing a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Now what they are saying, dividing a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Now you can see here, divide 10 by 12. What they are saying, divide 10 by 2. Divide 10 by 2. Now let's divide. First step is 10 divided by 2 as shown. Yes. Now step 2 is recall the multiplication table, means we have to say the table of 2 till 10 comes. Yes, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 5 times 2 or 2 5s, 2 times 5 answer will give 10 only. Okay, so 2 5s are 10. Step 3 is write the 5 on the place of the quotient. This is quotient above the dividend. Above the dividend means this is dividend. Write 10 below. Then 2 5s are 10. Again you have to write 10 down. 5 you have written here, 10 you have to write down. From 10 the dividend, subtract the product of 2 and 5, which is 10 again. You get 0 as the remainder. Now see here students, after doing this 2 5s are 10, we have to subtract it. You can see the sign. So 0 minus 0 is 0, or you can say 10 minus 10 is 0. So whatever the number remains, that is called remainder, and which number we are going to, it is called divisor. From which number we are going to divide is called divisor, and that is dividend. Okay, and the answer is quotient. Thus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 10 divided by 2, the answer will 5. Now one more example they have given students. See here, divide 58 by 2. 58 by 2. First step is write 58 divided by 2 as shown. Like this we have to write. Then step 2 is divide 5 by divisor 2. This is the divisor, and 5 we have to divide. Why? Because in table of 2, 58 will not come, right? In table of 2, 58 will not come. So we are going to take only one number. So we have to say the table till 5 comes. Okay. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 6 is the bigger number. We don't want 6. Yes. So what we are going to do? The 5 is not coming in the table of 2. So we will take the smaller number. The smaller number is 2, 2s are 4. So they have written here 4, then minus sign. 5 minus 4 is 1, right? Yes. So we are going to write here 1, and what we are going to do? We are going to take the remaining number down here. See, they have shown the arrow also. Then again you have to say the table of 2 till the number 18 comes. Okay. Now see, you can see here, write 1 below the line and bring 8 down. Okay. Then third step is divide 18 by divisor 2. Now we have to divide 18 also. You have to say the table till 18 comes. Now say all of you, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. We got the 18. So 2 nines, I have written here 9 here, 2 nines are 18. So 18 minus 18 is 0, right? See here, 18 minus 18 is 0. Thus 58 divided by 2 is equal to 29. Yes, I will give you examples also, students. Suppose we'll take this 28, suppose I have taken, and I have taken this number 2. 2 is the divisor, okay. So 28, in table of 2, 28 comes. We'll see that. First we'll take the first number. 2 ones are 2. Yes, I'll put minus sign. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. This 8 we have to bring down. Okay. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Means 2 fours are 8. Again we'll put minus sign. So 8 minus 8 is 0, right? So we get the answer 0. So our quotient is 14, right? Our quotient is 14. I'll give you one more example. Suppose I have given here 2 and I have given here 74, okay, 2 and 74. Now say the table of 2 till 7 comes. We'll take only one number. Why? Because here it is bigger number, right? When the bigger number is there, you should always take first number first. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8. We don't want 8, we want 7. So 7 is not coming. So what we are going to do? We'll take the smaller number. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. We can take 6. Yes. 2 threes are 6. We'll put minus sign. We'll draw a line. Now 7 minus 6 is how much? 1. This 4 we are going to take down. 14. So it will become 14. Right. Now say the table of 2 till 14 comes. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. Right. We'll put minus sign again. Now 14 minus 14 is 0. Yes? Understood, students? Okay. Now, here they have given mental maths. Fill in the circles with the correct numbers. Now they have given example. 2 fives are 10. Yes, 2 times 5 means 10, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. 4 times 5 will give you 20. Yes, 4 fives are 20, and 20 divided by 4, the answer is 5. The answer is 5. Okay. Then one more I will solve for you. 9 into dash equal to 18. You can say the table of 9 when 18 will come. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So 9 twos are 18, and 18 divided by 9, the answer is 2. Okay, students. Remaining you are going to solve like this only. Okay. Now students, see here, divide the following. Just now I explained you, divide the following. Now see here, 16 is there. So we have to say the table till number 16 comes. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. So we are going to write here 8 and 16 down. You should not forget to put minus sign. 16 minus 16 is 0. Yes. Now one more I will solve for you people. Now we have to say table of 5 till 10 comes. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 5 twos are 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. Yes, students. Remaining you are going to solve like this. Now see the second question. Again they have given you. Now we have to draw like this. 24 divided by 2. Yes, we will write here 2 and 24 inside. Okay. Now see here, in table of 2, 24 comes, we have to see. First we will take 2. Yes, 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, right? And this 4 we are going to take down. Okay, now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 4 is coming in table of 2, 2 twos are 4. We'll put again minus sign and 4 minus 4 is 0. This 4 we have to take down. One more I will solve for you people. See students, 2 and 36. See student, table of 2 36 comes? No. How we are going to do? We will take only one number first. We will take one number. In table of 2 3 comes? No. So we will take equal number or a smaller number than 3. So 2 ones are 2. Yes, because if we will take 2 twos are 4 will be there. So we cannot take 4. So 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2 is how much? 1. This 6 we are going to take down. Now we will say the table of 2 till 16 comes. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. So 2 eights are 16. I am going to put minus sign. 16 minus 16 is 0. Okay students, rest of the sums we are going to solve it. Now, this is my fun time. Match the following by coloring the boxes alike. Now see students, we have to match the boxes. Now they have given you 12 divided by 2. You have to say the table of 2 till 12 comes. Okay. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12. Yes. So 2 6 are 12. So where is 6? Here. Means this and this are same, right? The answer is here. 2 6 are 12. So we are going to color them alike. Suppose I will take green color. And the 6. Okay students, now see here 2 divided by 1. In table of 1, 2 is coming. Say all of you table of 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2. Yes. So 1 twos are 2, 2 is here, right. So this and this box we are going to color them alike. Suppose I will give this blue color. Okay students, now similarly all the boxes we are going to color like how I have done. Okay. Now properties of division. Now we have to see the properties of division. When you divide a number by 1, the answer will always be the number itself. What they are saying, listen carefully. When we divide a number by 1, the answer will always be the number itself. You have seen here, see 1 is divided by 2. So the answer is 2 only, right? Same way, when we divide any number with 1, we get the number itself the answer. For example, 12 divided by 1. 12 divided by 1 means making groups of 1 with 12. You can get 12 groups of 1 in 12. So 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12 only. Yes, when you will divide the 12 by 1 means you are making groups of 1. 1 like see. Suppose they had written here 12 divided by 1, yes, is 12. How? If you divide 12 in 1 means you are making 12 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 groups, yes, of 1 each. Okay. When a number is divided by itself, the answer will always be 1. When the number is divided by itself, means suppose 12 divided by 12 I said. So answer will be 1 only. Why? When we say table of 12, we want 12. 12 ones are 12, right? So the answer is 1. When the number is divided by itself, the answer will remain 1 only. For example, 8 divided by 8 means making groups of 8. With 8, you will get only one group of 8. So 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. Okay students, now we are going to see my practice time 5. Fill in the circles. They have given us fill in the circles. We have to fill that circles. 9 divided by 9. See, I have just now I told you that when we divide the number itself, we get the answer 1. Right? 29 divided by dash is equal to 29. Means when we divide by 1, we get the same number itself, the answer. Okay. Now 14 divided by 1, 14 divided by 1 means 14. Okay students. Now dash divided by 3. Dash divided by 3 is equal to 1 means 3 divided by 3, the answer is 1. Remaining you are going to solve it. Okay students. Okay. Now see students, here they have given mental maths. Color the dividend in yellow, divisor in green and quotient in red. Okay. So we are going to color it. First we are going to take yellow color, dividend. Dividend is this, right? 8. Divisor in green. This is divisor. Okay. And then the quotient is in red. Okay students. Same way this we are going to do. 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2, means 16 is the dividend, 8 is the divisor and 2 is the quotient. Okay students, now remaining 2 you are going to solve similarly. Now see students here, HOTS. Divide and write the answer in boxes. One has been done for you. Now one they have solved for us. See here, the answer is this 18. Okay, and they have given here divide by 6. Means suppose you can say table of 6 till the 18 comes, till the number 18 comes. Now see, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. 6 threes are, so they have written here 3, 6 threes are 18. Now table of 3 till the number 18 comes, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 4. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. So 3 6 are 18, right? 2 nines are 18, 9 twos are 18. Similarly, we have to do this. Now see here students, 24. In table of 3, 24 comes, we have to say table of 3 till 24 comes. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, right? So I am going to write here 8, 3 eights are 24. Now in table of 6, we have to see when 24 comes. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fours are, so I am going to write here 4, 6 fours are 24. Now in table of 8, we have to see where 24 comes. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 threes are 24, right? Then in table of 4, when 24 comes, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24. So 4 6 are 24. Okay students. Now one more I will solve for you people. Now 20 is here. Okay. Now in table of 10, when 20 comes, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So I am going to write here 2. In table of 2, when 20 comes, 2 tens are 20, so I am going to write here 10. Then in table of 4, when 20 comes, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, so I am going to write here 5. Then table of 5, when 20 comes, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, so 5 fours are 20. Okay students, remaining 2 similarly you are going to solve. Now in this also they have given us word problems. Now see your word problems. For example, Monica bought 35 candies to be distributed equally among her 5 friends. Monica has bought 35 candies, or you can say chocolates also, and to distributed equally among her 5 friends. She is now going to distribute among her 5 friends. Find how many candies will each friend get. Now we have to find out how many candies will each friend get. Now see here students, candies bought was 35. Yes, 35 they have written. Number of friends 5. So they are dividing by 5. See here, now till 35 comes, we can say table of 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35. So 5 sevens are 35. So 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. Thus each friend will get 7 candies. How many candies will get? 7 candies. So they have given here the word problems. I am going to solve first one for you. Okay students, first one we are going to see, there are 14 books. What they are saying, there are 14 books with Gopu. He wanted to lend them to 2 of his friends. From 14 books, he wants to give to 2 of his friends equally to read during the holidays. How many books will each friend get? He was having total number of books 14 and he wants to give his 2 friends, distribute them equally. Okay. Now, first we are going to write number of books with Gopu. How many books were there with Gopu? 14, right? Then number of friends, how many friends were there? Number of friends 2, yes. Now we'll divide. I'll write here 2 and 14 here. Now we have to say table of 2 till 14 comes. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14. So 2 sevens are 14. Yes, we'll put minus sign, we'll put line here. So 14 minus 14 is 0, right? So thus the number of books, how many number of books each friend will get? 7. Thus number of books each friend gets is equal to 7. Yes, there were 2 friends, 14 books were there, so each friend will get 7 books. Okay students, I hope you all have understood. Now, see students, in this lesson we have learnt in division as a repeated subtraction. Division means equal sharing, dividing a 2-digit number by 1-digit number, and properties of division. Okay students, I hope you all have understood. Now see here, equal sharing means distribution of objects into equal groups. Division means sharing equally. Dividend means the number to be divided. Divisor means the number that divides the dividend. And quotient means the result of division, and remainder means the leftover of the division. Now see here, they have given you here the mixed bag also. Mixed bag means here addition, subtraction and division all are included. So this we are going to solve it. I will give you in your notebook. Okay students, this I am going to give you in your notebook. Okay students, I hope you all have understood division. We are going to meet in the next lecture. Okay, bye, take care, thank you.